Welcome to our guide on integrating smart solarium red light therapy devices into your practice. As demand for non-invasive treatments grows, incorporating red light therapy can enhance your services and offer significant benefits to your clients. Red light therapy is versatile, treating conditions like skin rejuvenation, pain relief, and muscle recovery. Its non-invasive nature and minimal side effects make it a safe choice, appealing to clients seeking effective treatments without invasive procedures. To integrate red light therapy, start by choosing the right equipment. Options include full-body beds for comprehensive treatments, vertical devices for standing treatments, and localized devices for targeted therapy, ensuring you meet diverse client needs. Setting up a dedicated treatment area is crucial. Ensure comfort and privacy, good ventilation, and adequate lighting. These elements create a relaxing environment, enhancing the overall client experience during red light therapy sessions. Proper staff training is essential for successful red light therapy integration. Train your team on device operation, client assessment, and standardized protocols to ensure safe and effective treatments, optimizing outcomes for your clients. Educating your clients about red light therapy is key. During consultations, explain how RLT works, its benefits, and any potential risks. Provide written materials and use treatment sessions to further educate clients on the therapy. Marketing your red light therapy services effectively can attract new clients. Enhance your online presence, leverage social media, and offer in-practice promotions. Consider hosting workshops to educate potential clients about the benefits of RLT. In conclusion, integrating red light therapy can enhance your practice and attract a broader clientele. By selecting the right equipment, training staff, and educating clients, you can successfully offer this innovative therapy. Thank you for considering smart solarium devices.